Today I'm going to be reviewing EverBrite 9 LED 6 flashlight set. This is what it looks like right here. Just for scale, I've got this little can here. You can see it comes with all the batteries you need, as you can see over there. This is what it looks like, and it is bright. Now I don't have the lights out. Definitely very bright. Is it the brightest light? Not at all, but it's very nice. Now these are just plastics. You get an idea when you get them. You put the batteries in here. Very light, obviously without the batteries, but very light, just plastic, nothing crazy, but you get 6 lights here. This does really well on Amazon. I mean, it gets 4.6 stars. It's got almost 18,000 reviews. And last month, October of 2025, these sold over 7,000. So people like them. Look, if you're looking for a bunch of little flashlights for you, you're going camping for your kids, these will be perfect for what you need. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.